everyone. I'm waiting for everyone to join in. I know I am live after very, very, very long. I don't even remember the last time I was live. But here I am. Hey Durga. Hey Anku. Hey Harris. Hi Sapna. Lots of love. Was just watching Visport. That's so nice. Thank you. Thank you, Deepak. Dinky, hello. Is the music too loud? There's constant music playing in my house. But yes, okay, so I thought I'll come live today because yesterday I celebrated Thanksgiving with my friends who are like family to me, and it made me realize that gratitude is something we don't show to the people we love so much. So I mean, I just want to come here and tell you all that thank you for just being with me through my entire journey. It's been years. Some of you have been through everything with me. My ups, my downs, my television shows, web shows, films, everything that I do, you guys have always supported me. And I just wanted to come here and give thanks to all of you and, you know, just give you so much love and gratitude that you guys give me. I think, you know, I don't appreciate you guys enough. I mean, I do in my heart, but not like vocally and verbally, and I really want to do that. So that's why I'm here. I don't mean to lecture. I don't mean to go into a whole long lecture about it. So yes, that is what I came here for today. I also want to know, I'm very curious that way. I really want to know ki what is the one thing. Hey Sana, yeah, say hi to your mom. Okay, what is the one thing that you all are grateful for in your own lives? Like, just keep putting it down in the comments. What are you all grateful for in your life? I mean, like, I know I'm grateful for my family, for my health, for my friends, for my work, for just everyone out there that loves me so much. I'm so grateful. So what are you grateful for? Okay, you're grateful for vlogs that you make. Okay. Food, shelter, clothing, Nitish, that is so important. These are so basic, but they can mean everything. So yes, food, shelter, clothing. Thank you, Viraj. Azim, वो आप सीजन वापस देख लो. Anirudh, do you experience anxiety, and if yes, how do you deal with it? How not to care about others' judgments? Okay, I mean, who doesn't in today's day and age? I don't think anybody doesn't feel anxiety or like a little level of panic or anxiety in life. I think, you know, it's become so difficult to just survive and to go through life these days. So I think, you know, it's very easy to say, and it's easier said than done, that don't care about what people think. But we all do somewhere care about what people think, especially if those people are our own people. So I think that the only way to cope with anxiety is just know yourself a little better, know what matters, whose opinion matters, whose doesn't matter, and that is what is important. Breathe, divert your mind on people and on things that make you happy and make you feel better. Can you please share your haircut video? I haven't cut my hair in a really long time. I'm trying to grow it. Just a week ago I went to the salon and I was going to cut it, but something changed in my heart and I didn't. Jivika and Manvi are the best sisters. Yes, we are, I know. Okay, sorry, I was asking you guys what are you all grateful for, and I really want to know what you all are grateful for. The prep that went into being Mona, I don't think much prep because I was playing an actress and I am an actress, so it didn't really take a lot of prep. Hi Tita. Thank you, Fiaz. Hi Sameer. My favorite song, I have a few favorite songs, but I think there's one that has stuck for years, which is Ye Toone Kya Kiya. It's from Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. How sweet. Dimple, you've joined in. I can see, just not from where you should. आपको कितना प्रॉब्लम होती है इंडस्ट्री में? मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आई हैव बिन, दिस इज ऑल आई नो टू डू, दिस इज ऑल आई हैव एवर डन, सो फॉर मी दिस इज माई होम ग्राउंड. A big shout out to Luna Itsol. Yesterday we went for Thanksgiving there and it was amazing. The place is my friend Shubham Bihani's, and he absolutely made us feel like we are not in Mumbai, we are in the Alps. It was cold and the food was amazing. So guys, if you are in Mumbai, please do go to Luna Itsol. It's in Lower Parel and give it a try. It's amazing. I love your character in First Copy. Thank you, Jess. Thank you for being. Thank you, Kamesh. Love you, Tita. Who's playing the songs in your background? I'm all alone, brother man. It's me and my iPad. I play songs. What surprise for Christmas? I don't want any more surprises for 2025. Let the surprises go away. I have enough surprised. I have been enough surprised for 2025. No more surprises, please. Nothing. I have no Christmas plans. I just want to chill, be with people that I love, and stay cozy and stay home. I know you from Jivika Rawat says, oh, so sweet. Speak in Hindi. If the comments come in Hindi, I will surely reply in Hindi. I love Hindi. I know how to speak Hindi. I'm not ashamed or anything that you are trying to insinuate. Just that the comments are in English. I loved First Copy. Thank you. Thank you. I would love to call your name. Lift with Arpit. Arpit, where are you going for New Year's party? No plans as yet. I will want to go somewhere for sure. Hi Aarti. Speak in Konkani. Okay, this I don't know how to speak in Konkani. Hi mom, someone's asking me to speak in Konkani. Mother did not really teach me Konkani, but I think whatever she taught me very well, just not Konkani. Where are you from? I'm from Mumbai. My native place is Mangalore. That's why Konkani. Is Nia still your roommate? No, Anushka, she is not my roommate. But my mom is speaking in Konkani. But she lives in the same building as me, so we're not roommates, we are building mates. Hi to Rajasthan. Usman Qureshi. There I said your name. I'm not picking favorite co-stars. I have enjoyed working with all of my co-stars and they've all been fabulous. Alicia, he's my best friend, and we share an amazing bond. It's more like banter, siblings, girlfriends, more than him being just a best friend to me. So unfortunately, I'm not going to stay away from him because he means a lot to me. Hello, Jeetu. Hi, Ashmita. Hi, Mudassir. Nizam Khan, thank you. It's too cold to come to Gulmarg. I love Tasia, and I met her at a Huda Beauty event, and I think that was the best thing that happened to me in Paris. I've been on many Paris trips, but I think this one was the most memorable only because I found someone that was so pure, was so sweet, was so loving, took care of me even though she did not know me, and we really bonded well. So I love Tasia for who she is, and she's such a strong woman, she's such a beautiful woman, and literally she's the mother of pearl. Okay, you guys are still not telling me what you all are grateful for on Thanksgiving. I want you guys to give thanks for some things in your life. Give them a shout out, give the people in your life a shout out. फर्स्ट कॉपी का एक शायरी बोल दो, मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है, एक भी शायरी याद नहीं है फर्स्ट कॉपी का. मुझे बहुत अलग शायरियाँ याद है, लेकिन ये कोई मौका नहीं है वो शायरी के लिए. हाय पंकज. My mom is saying she's grateful for her children and her family. And I know she's grateful for her grandchildren also. And what else you're grateful for, Mom? I think enough. Tanya Sharma, hello. Thank you, Jack. Please tell us something about your next project. It's not a full-fledged project. It's something little but very close to my heart, and it should be out in a few days. So I'm very excited, nervous. It's not something I've done before. So I'm very nervous and very excited, and I have mixed feelings about it. So yeah, my mom is saying you can't hear me. Can you guys hear me? Or it's just my mother's phone and her earphones? I think the music is too loud. Can you please mention my comment? Hi Salman. What are my nails? These are my nails right now. Piyush bhai, kaise ho aap? You can hear mom, very good. Lots of love to Kuwait. We can hear you, okay. Thank you, Anita Thapa. Lots of love to Kerala Jams. Get the short hair back. Hair station. Hair station. This is still short. I've had really long hair all my life. So, and then in the middle I cut it really short, and I'm missing long hair. Like, I don't even know why, but I'm really missing long hair. I'm missing those waves, those curls that I used to do. So I'm planning to grow it. I went last week to the salon to cut it, and then I just got up and left. So I don't know what I want right now. I really don't know what I want. Long hair. Okay, we are voting for long hair. Thank you, Ashu. Thank you, Daisy. Thank you, Glenn Joyce. Missing you on screen, Disha. Okay, I will try to come back really soon. Thank you, Sachin. आप बहुत प्यारा बोलती है. अनुरा, थैंक यू. कल की Brandon Lots of love to Dubai. It's one of my favorite cities in the world. It's a few places that when I go to, I feel like I'm home. And I think it's because my childhood best friend lives there, and it just feels like I can run to her arms and like be me. So I love Dubai. Thanks, Brandon. Where am I right now? I'm at home in Mumbai. Vlogs when? Rahul. It's a lot of hard work. It took me years to come live, so I don't know about vlogs. It's gonna take some time. Chris, dance videos is not something I can do. I'm so sorry. I love dancing. It's just that I don't want to. I mean, I don't know how to do it for the camera. Unless it's a part of like the show or a film or something like that. But other than that, I don't think I can do these steps. Everyone's so good at what they're doing, and I love watching it. I mean, that's literally what I scroll all night, but I don't think I have the guts to do it myself. Hasnain, yes, I do know Moini Auntie and I know Rakshanda, of course. I'm not watching this year Parmar, unfortunately. Sohail, नहीं मैंने नहीं लगाए हैं. Kazminish, if I've said that right. Thank you, Prachi. Lots of love to you too. Christo Z is what Kavya calls me. And that just is such a cute feeling. Every time I hear Christo Z, it feels like my Kavu is calling me. You guys are not telling me what you all are thankful for. Come on, guys, tell me everything that you all are thankful for. It's Thanksgiving and we need to show appreciation and gratitude for what we have in life. My mom has said that she's thankful for me. I mean, she said her children and her family. Fan is on. Yes, it's on. I love fans. Thank you, Irfan. I live in Mumbai. Harsh, fan. I didn't get that. I just got fan. Lots of interesting stuff coming up, Priyanka. Thankful for family and health. Yes, health is so important. You know, just being strong, being externally and internally, both are important. Honey, what's up? Are you pencil? You look like Apsara. That's cute. Thank you for calling me Apsara. Ma'am, how do you stay motivated for your workouts and what's your... I'm not really motivated to work out. I have my days, but I'm getting there. And I know I've been saying I'm getting there. I want to achieve my goal by the end of this year by hook or by crook. And I'm going to work out. I'm going to diet. I'm going to do everything that I want to and I have to do. So it's all in the mind. I feel that, you know, it's just that waking up and getting to the gym or getting to your Pilates class or whatever you guys do, it's just till the time you reach there. Once you're there, the motivation comes on its own. Also work out with friends, that's fun. I work out with a close friend of mine, and that's why it's more fun, because you know the banter is there and we joke more than working out, which is also fun. Yes, Sohail. Wasim, thank you, but please say some words. I have not forgotten Ahem. He was a really integral part of my show, and of course lots of love to him. It's just that we don't meet anymore, and there's no you know, there's no much interaction. You lose touch. निया को बर्थडे क्यों नहीं विश किया? आपको कैसे पता कि मैंने विश किया कि नहीं? इंस्टाग्राम पे विश करना सब कुछ होता है कि फ़ोन भी होता है, मैसेज भी होता है, वीडियो कॉल भी होता है, तो मैंने जो करना था मैंने किया। Zufi Rizwan, not anytime soon or mostly not ever also. My fan went off on its own. That's strange. Okay. Okay. A quality of yours you will not trade at all. I think how do I answer this? But I think the never giving up attitude. I have always believed in myself since I was a child, and that continues. I don't think I'm ever gonna give up on myself or my dreams, and I have faith in myself. I know that I have me at the end of the day, and I'm so strong. So, Thaddu, did you see what happened? This is freaky, but it's okay. I'm not going to freak out right now because I just said I'm strong. Okay. Hey Crystal, is there a memory from your life that you still feels warm when you think about it? I think there are quite a few memories of my life that I feel warm about. I think the first time I held my godchild in my arms, I think nothing can beat that moment. My Kaiser was like so little and in my arms, and I flew all the way to Canada to just hold him. So I think that's one of my most fond memories in life. I have used Mother of Pearl lip shade, which is a matte liquid lipstick, and I've used the YSL lip balm on top. That's the shade I'm using. And my foundation is Toasted Coconut by Huda Beauty. I like your Imran Hashmi song. Okay, yes. Thank you. No Vipin, I haven't. It's just good lighting and good jeans. Hi Anjum. Yes, Guddu. Thank you, Zui Sam. बैकग्राउंड सॉन्ग बहुत अच्छा है. ओके, यस, मुझे गाने प्ले करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब मैं घर पे होती हूँ, तो स्पेशली हिंदी सॉफ्ट म्यूज़िक, तो ये बैकग्राउंड में चलते रहता है जब मैं घर पे चिल करती हूँ, या मेरे दोस्त भी आते हैं तो म्यूज़िक चलते रहता है. दैट्स समथिंग दैट्स कॉन्स्टेंट एंड मेक्स मी फील रिलैक्स्ड एंड एट ईज, एंड देयर सम हलचल एट होम. Okay, so I think it's been a long time that I've been on this live. I just again want to say for the ones that joined in later that I'm here because it was Thanksgiving yesterday and I celebrated it with my friends. और तब मुझे लगा कि I'm so thankful and so grateful for the friends that I have. उनके बिना मेरी लाइफ बहुत अलग होती और बहुत साथ दिया है उन्होंने हर वक्त, in good times, in bad times, and I just felt so grateful for them. And then I also thought that along with my friends, I have my Insta fam that has always been with me through years of ups and downs of work. And मैं बस यहाँ आके आप सबको thank you कहना चाहती थी for being a part of my life, for being in my life, and for motivating me on so many days. कितनी बार होता है कि लगता है कि और क्या करूँ, या करूँ भी नहीं, करूँ भी क्या नहीं. एंड देन आपके मैसेजेस देखती हूँ, आपके एडिट्स देखती हूँ, आपके वीडियोस, फोटोज, स्केचेस जो आप लोग बनाते हो अब वो देखती हूँ और मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है. मुझे लगता है कि you guys look at me with so much hope and faith and want me to do well, and that's why I think that's what gives me motivation to work harder, and that's why I feel like I should be grateful and thankful and come here and appreciate you guys. So thank you all for being a part of my life. Lots of love to everyone. Thought catalog, lots of love. Thank you, Kushal. This song name is something I can't tell you. You just have to keep guessing while they play, because they're all mashups. So it's just a playlist that I have and it keeps playing. Aliza Rajput, thank you. Lots of love. Okay, तो I think अब मैं जाती हूँ. आप सबसे बात करके और अपनी दिल की बात आपके साथ शेयर करके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. तो thank you very much for always supporting me and for being here and for giving me so much love always. Bye bye. So sweet. इतने मैसेजेस अभी भी आते जा रहे हैं. प्रज्ञा मास्टर, थैंक यू. कि बंद करने का मन नहीं कर रहा. फिरोज खान, थैंक यू. Other than acting, I love traveling, I love beauty content, I love lifestyle, I love shooting content, but at my own pace. Abir, thank you. Crystal D'Souza Squad, I don't know your name. You'll have to tell me your name. I'm Christo, and that's what I want to be called, or Crystal. Okay, I will come back live soon again. But it was lovely chatting with you all, and